Hi Miss, my name is Karen and I'm going to tell you a little about the upper and lower limb muscles. Upper limb muscle. They are the extremities that are attached to the upper part to the trunk. It's made up of four segments: shoulder girdle, arm, forearm, and hand. Deltoid. It's named for its shapes, similar to the Greek letter delta. It is a long distance muscle originating from three well differentiated parts: the clavicle, the acromion, and the spinous process of the scapula. It's polygastric muscle with seven bellies, of which four correspond to the scapular spine, one to the acromion, and two to the external third of the clavicle. Brachial biceps. It's a muscle that belongs to the superficial area of the arm and is close to the coracobrachialis and the brachialis anterior muscles. The biceps runs along the front of the arm and is well known to the fact that compared to the others, it has two extensions or heads, which, although they originate in different places on the scapula, follow the same route until they reach their place of insertion of the radio. Triceps brachii. It's a muscle that runs along the back of the arm. It goes from the shoulder to the elbow and is known to be made up of three heads or portions. The long head is so called because it is the one with the longest travel, and the others are called vastus internal and vastus external due to their location and origin. Brachioradialis, it's part of the radial muscle group of the forearm muscles. It is a single joint muscle with a long lever that runs the entire length of the forearm, flex to elbow, and along with the bicep brachii and brachialis. The lower limb or limb has many similarities with its upper counterpart. However, its weight-bearing function makes your skeleton more massive and your joints more voluminous and stable. We have the gluteus major muscle. It's located in the posterior region of the pelvis. Its fibers are arranged in descending manner. It consists of two planes, one superficial and the other deep. Below we find mainly the gluteus medius. It has a thick and wide rhomboid shape. It is one of the largest and strongest muscles in the human body. It belongs to the bone system. Gluteus minor muscle is a triangular muscle of the thigh in the gluteal region below the gluteus maximum and the gluteus medium, and the smallest of the three gluteal muscles. We also have the gluteus medium. It is the main abductor muscle of the hip. It works by separating the teeth, bringing it out. It's also very important in the stability of the pelvis. Tensor fascia lata muscle. It's a long and prominent muscle that originates in the hip area and extends along the entire side of the thigh until it reaches the other region of knee. This structure is important for the biomechanics of the lower limb as it actively contributes to the performance of various movements. Sartorius muscle. It's a muscle composed of the inner part of the pelvis to the knee area. It has a path that passes through each lower limb. Therefore, it has related to the flexion of the leg. and semitendinous muscle, pectineus muscle, crural biceps muscle,